TMTV's The Lounge Car. This session, Jim Six does a deep dive on his new layout plan.
So welcome to the very first edition of the Lounge Car. And the Lounge Car is a little different than the QAT sessions we were doing before. I want the Lounge Car to be a bit more structured. We're going to ask for questions in advance so that the guest or guests can prepare in advance and have a bit of a presentation for us.
That's an old, low-resolution black and white that I colorized. You can see some of the different variations of it.
Yeah.
Here is the elevator that I recovered from the Monroeville and Sturgis layouts. And if I can't get Tom's concrete elevator through the mail safely, I'm going to use this one. And I'll put a new sign over here to rename it. And this will be my elevator facility. And the lumber company is going to be patterned after Robin Montanay's lumber company. And my stuff doesn't have to be original. Now here's my cement plant. This is based upon a 1928 photo and an old black and white photo, of course. And it's not an exact replica by any means, but it sure looks like it.